Welcome back. Before we get started with some coding and implementing this, I wanted to finalize our knowledge and our understanding of both cookies and JWT. If I open up my developer tools here and go to application, you'll see that in the storage section, we have something called cookies. And cookies here are exactly that, pieces of strings that you see over here, GitHub has assigned to me so that it remembers our session, or perhaps another piece of data. And if I click on here, it will actually display some of these cookies. And that's how we store cookies on the browser. And remember, these cookies don't mean anything other than it's a piece of string that identifies us on the GitHub server. On the other hand, when it comes to JWT, and I will link to this website, this is what a JWT token looks like. And you can see here when it's encoded, it's just complete gibberish. But when it's decoded, it has all this information. It has header. You can see what kind of algorithm we used, what type of token it is. And you also have the payload of information. So for example, if I wanted the name to say Andre, you'll see that as I type, it changes things over here in the token. So that every time I decode this token, I can simply grab this information, perhaps a username. And you see here that the signature is verified. So now all I can say is I can sign this and actually create this token. And because this is now verified, I can simply verify this token and grab this information whenever I want. So you see here how it's different from a cookie. It actually has meaning in here, and you simply can just decode it. Now, you might notice here that I can just grab any JWT and just paste it in here and grab the information right away. And this is a reason that you don't necessarily want to put sensitive information into the payload, because anybody that has a JWT token can just come onto this website and paste the encoded JWT and it'll get decoded. Again, I'm going to show you ways to not do this when we actually start coding. And remember how I said that with JSON Web Tokens, it's pretty easy? Well, with the JSON Web Token package, all we need to do is install JWT. And then finally, we simply sign the token with whatever information we want. In this case, we see that it's a foo bar and some sort of a secret string. And then anytime we receive it, we simply, if we scroll down, run the verify function. And we're able to verify and decode the token. All right, I think that's enough talk. We need to start coding and we need to start implementing sessions in our app. Grab your terminal, grab your favorite text editor. We're going to start coding. See you in the next one.